Jai Hind, my dear students. Now be ready for next chapter. New Kings and Kingdoms. Dear students, many new dynasties emerged after the 17th century in the different part of the Indian subcontinent. Many new dynasties emerged between 7th to 12th centuries. These dynasties were Gurjar and Pratihar in Gujarat and Rajasthan region, Rashtrakoot in western Deccan, Palas in Bengal region, Cholas in Tamil Nadu region, and Chahmanas in Delhi and Ajmer region. So students, we have to discuss this first topic, the emergence of new dynasties. Students, while reading this topic, you can find many important reference through this topic. So let's understand it quizzically. This is first question. Who were Samantas? Samantas were big landlords, we can say warrior chiefs in different regions. King acknowledged means accepted, king accepted them as their subordinates or Samantas. Second question, what did the kings expect to Samantas? Samantas were expected to bring gifts for their kings, be present at their courts, and provide them with military support. Now, third question, what do you mean by Mahasamanta and Mahamandaleshwar? Mahamandaleshwar means the great lord of a circle or region. When Samantas gained power and wealth, they declared themselves to be Mahasamanta and Mahamandaleshwar. Sometimes they asserted their independence from their overlords or kings. This is fourth question. Who was Danti Durg? Danti Durg was a Rashtrakoot chief in the south region. He overthrew his Chalukya overlord. He was the founder of the Rashtrakutas dynasty. And this is fifth question. Who were the subordinates of the Chalukyas of Karnataka? Answer is Rashtrakoot or Rashtrakutas. And this is next question. What was Hiranyagarbha and what was the purpose behind performing Hiranyagarbha? Rashtrakutas chief Danti Durg performed a ritual. Ritual means a kind of religious practice called Hiranyagarbha. When this ritual was performed with the help of Brahmins, it was thought to lead to the rebirth of the sacrificer as a Kshatriya, even if he was not one by birth. And this is next question. Who built the Ellora caves? Ellora caves were built during 757 to 783 AD by Krishna I, who was the uncle of Dantidurg. In this reference, I would like to mention that the Hindu caves were built in two phases. Cave 14, 15, 16 were built in the Rashtrakoot period. You can see at page number 17, figure first. Wall relief from cave 15. Ellora showing Lord Vishnu as nursing the man lion. And next question, mention about the enterprising families who used their military skills to establish kingdoms. Kadamb Mayur Sharmad and Gurjar Pratihar Harishchandra were Brahmins who gave up their traditional professions and took to arms, successfully establishing kingdoms in Karnataka and Rajasthan. So these questions are very important from this topic, the emergence of new dynasties. So you have to note down all these important questions related to this topic. Thank you.